Deamination of bases is a common chemical event that produces spontaneous mutation. Now the question is, which one of the following bases will be formed by deamination of 5-methyl cytosine? Option A is uracil, option B thymine, option C cytosine, or option D guanine. So the correct answer would be option B. Deamination of 5-methyl cytosine results in the formation of thymine. When the amino group of the 5-methyl cytosine is removed, the base is converted into thymine, leading to a transition mutation. This is one of the reasons why CPG islands are mutation hotspots, as methylated cytosine can easily deaminate into thymine.